Namaskar and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. I'm Manisha, presenting you all the news bulletin. Firstly, the headlines. Message of Chief Minister of Sikkim on National Doctors Day, 1st July 2020. Doctors Day celebration 2020 at STNM Hospital, Sochagang. Meeting was held regarding the reappointment of Sanskrit teachers. Press conference by Minister for Forest and Environment Department. Installation of sanitary napkin vending machine by Inner Wheel Club of Gangtok. Extension on the renewal period of trade license. Now in details. The Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang has extended his warm greetings to all the doctors of Sikkim on the occasion of National Doctors Day. The Chief Minister extended his heartfelt gratitude to all the doctors for providing selfless service to society. He says the contribution of doctor to human health is beyond comparison. They not only save and improve human lives but also play an instrumental role in controlling epidemics. Contagious disease and other epidemic conditions are, for instance, a huge threat to the health of the common people. In recent times, when the world is reeling under the global pandemic COVID-19, our doctors and health workers have been a source of inspiration for all of us with their dedication, sincerity and commitment. Sikkim also had a Doctors Day celebration 2020 at STNM Hospital, Sochagang, with a theme Service with Compassion, where the Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang felicitate the COVID warriors. The program also had a video conference with COVID warriors of isolation ward and COVID warriors under quarantine at Hotel Lemon Tree. Also, the interactive session with the COVID warriors who had completed quarantine fully and were present for the program was conducted. During the program, CM announced one-time incentives to COVID warriors, such as for doctors 20,000, for nurse 10,000 and for supporting staff 5,000 each. As per the press release from Chief Minister's office, a meeting was convened by the Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang in presence of Minister, Secretary, Education and other officials at Tasiling Secretariat to discuss issues related to the reappointment of Sanskrit teachers yesterday. The government has decided to reappoint all 124 Sanskrit teachers from 1st August 2020. The Sanskrit teachers who have acquired their B.Ed degree from a recognized body such as NCTE IGNOU will be paid Rs 10,000 only per month. On the other hand, the rest of the teachers not having the required certificate will continue to get the consolidated salary as paid in the past. However, the non-B.Ed teachers will have to complete the required qualification as per NCTE and Rashtriya Sanskrit Sansthan norms within the period of 3 years from the date of appointment. During the press conference, Minister for Forest and Environment Department Sri Karma Lode Bhutia stressed on the upcoming program on A Day for Mother Earth, scheduled to be held across the state on 7th July. The day is also coinciding with the closing day of the week-long Van Mahotsav. Minister Sri Bhutia informed that this year there is a greater initiative involving environmental friendly activities to address climate change, including no vehicular movement for 7 minutes and tackling animal-human conflict through plantation of edible plants across wildlife regions in the state. These activities aim to contribute towards nationally determined contributions and sustainable development goals for positive climate action. Minister said that the state government has laid emphasis on conservation of forests through various environmental measures in a week-long nature conservation program from 1st to 7th July 2020. He appealed to the people of Sikkim to contribute to the initiative by observing no vehicle plying for 7 minutes except emergency vehicles on 7th July to avoid carbon emissions. He also appealed to the public for their active participation in cleaning their surroundings, joras and rivers throughout the week from 1st to 7th July and urged all to resort to eco-friendly lifestyles and create low carbon footprints. The minister also informed that there will be a plantation program for all the 32 constituencies of the state with a target of planting 1,000 saplings each. The Inner Wheel Club of Gangtok, led by the president Mrs. Asa Kiran, presented a sanitary napkin vending machine to the Department of Information and Public Relations Government of Sikkim yesterday in presence of the Secretary Ms. Namrata Thapa, Dr. Niti Nepal, Vice President of the club, officers and staff of the department. Inner Wheel Club of Gangtok is an international women's organization established in the year 2000 and has been actively involved in various projects for the betterment of women and children. They provide voluntary services in the state of Sikkim for many causes that are in need of attention. It was also informed that the sanitary napkin vending machine presented by the club is installed with 30 sanitary napkins. It is a self-service napkin dispensing machine against a 5 rupee coin as and when required. The club has already installed this machine at government colleges and MG Gangtok. They aim to install more of these in various state government offices wherein the number of women employees are higher. As per the press release from Gangtok Municipal Corporation, to all the trade license holders under Gangtok Municipal Corporation, the renewal period of trade license has been further extended up to 31st July 2020 without late fees. All licensees are requested to log in to www.gmcsikkim.in and submit their request for renewal. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates.